We've been asked many times if there are substantial benefits to purchasing a 12-month auto insurance policy up front versus renewing a policy every 6 months. There can be certain advantages to each approach, since car insurance rates vary depending on several different factors, including time. So, let's get to the breakdown. Advantages to purchasing a 12-month policy up front. Your insurance rates will be locked in for that 12-month period. In 2013, car insurance rates increased nationwide by an average of $153 over the previous year. You will only have to pay a single bill for the entire year. There's less of a chance that you'll forget to make a payment. If you receive a ticket midway through the year, your rate won't change until your next yearly billing cycle. You'll have fewer transactions, which will likely mean fewer processing fees. Advantages to purchasing a 6-month policy. If you have a point on your license for an infraction that's due to fall off your record within a year, your second 6-month premium will likely be lower than your first 6-month premium. Renewing your policy on a more frequent basis provides additional opportunities for you to reevaluate your insurance needs. Perhaps you can find a lower rate from another provider. If you don't have enough to pay for a full year's premium, splitting it up into payments every 6 months is, well, better. Again, if you pay only twice a year, you will likely avoid processing fees that your insurer charges to run your credit card once a month. Advantages to paying every month, usually only applicable if you have good credit and are considered low risk. This will cost you the least amount of money for each billing cycle, but will cost more over the policy term due to additional monthly processing fees. It may be easier to switch auto insurance companies if you're paying monthly rather than having to wait for a refund on what remains on your 6 or 12-month payment. If you're a good driver and don't have any infractions, you may find that a 12-month policy suits your needs, whether you choose to pay a lump sum up front or pay a monthly bill. On the other hand, if your driving record is due to become clean within 6 months, you may want to consider choosing a 6-month policy and evaluate your options after your driving record is clear again. You'll also be glad when you're not getting charged processing fees that add up over time. For more information about auto and home insurance rates, give us a call at 1-866-635-7777.